keto diet, short for ketogenic, is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan that changes how your body produces energy. Under normal circumstances, your body gets its energy from glucose, which comes from carbohydrates. But when you reduce your carb intake drastically, typically under 50 grams per day, your body enters a state called ketosis. In ketosis, it begins to break down fat into molecules called ketones, which your brain and body then use for energy. It's like flipping a switch in your metabolism, from burning sugar to burning fat. The classic keto formula includes about 70 to 75% of your calories from healthy fats, around 20 to 25% from protein, and just 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. So why is keto so popular? Let's break down some of the biggest benefits. First, there's weight loss. Keto helps you burn fat more effectively, and it also reduces hunger by keeping you feeling full longer, thanks to higher fat and protein intake. Second, it helps improve blood sugar and insulin levels. Cutting carbs means fewer spikes in blood sugar, which can be especially helpful for people with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Third, many people report increased mental clarity and focus. Ketones are a powerful fuel source for your brain, which means less brain fog and more consistent energy. Fourth, keto can give you better overall energy levels. Once you're in ketosis, your body avoids those sugar highs and crashes and stays fueled longer throughout the day. And finally, some research suggests the keto diet may help with specific medical conditions like epilepsy, polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and even certain cancers, though more studies are needed. Always check with your doctor before using keto for medical treatment. Now, as promising as keto sounds, it's important to understand the risks and downsides, especially if the diet is done incorrectly. One of the most common side effects is the keto flu. In the first week, you might feel tired, dizzy, nauseous, or irritable. This happens as your body adapts to burning fat for fuel. Drinking water and replenishing your electrolytes can help you get through it faster. Keto can also lead to nutrient deficiencies, especially if you're not eating a variety of vegetables. When you cut out fruits, whole grains, and legumes, you may miss out on fiber, vitamins, and minerals. That's why proper meal planning, or even supplements, can be important. Another issue is digestive problems like constipation. Since fiber intake often drops, you'll want to eat plenty of keto-friendly vegetables and stay hydrated. And over the long term, an unsupervised keto diet may affect heart and liver health. Eating too much saturated fat or relying on processed meat products can raise your cholesterol levels. This diet is also not recommended for everyone. People with kidney disease, liver conditions, or pancreatic disorders should avoid keto. And if you have type 1 diabetes, are pregnant, or have a history of eating disorders, consult your doctor first. Thinking of giving keto a try? Here are some tips to do it in a healthy, balanced way. Choose healthy fats over processed ones. Think olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish like salmon. These fats support your heart and brain. Don't skip your vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, zucchini, and cauliflower are all low in carbs and full of fiber and nutrients. Drink lots of water and consider using an electrolyte supplement, especially in the first week, to avoid dehydration or the keto flu. Keep an eye on your body. Track your progress, listen to how you feel, and consider using test strips to check if you're actually in ketosis. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the keto diet, the benefits, the risks, and how to do it the right way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone considering keto, and make sure to subscribe to All About Health for more easy-to-understand health content every single week.